there. Oh, hello guys. I did not see you there. Today we are going to be doing a cleaning penny challenge of who's better with hydrochloric acid and soapy water. For this experiment you need 2 cups, one that's filled with dish soap and water. You need dish soap, of course, because I just said it. Maybe a scrubber, a towel, a little measuring cup that has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 on it, and salt and vinegar. Right now, we want to grab our cup, use some tweezers and plop the penny in, and then you wait a little bit. You could also scrub it if you want. I don't want to get myself wet. That's why I'm doing it this way. And I think after you're done scrubbing it, if you want to, you grab the tweezers. Now you put it on the paper towel. And you guys can see it's quite clean. Like, it's kind of clean. And the back side looks dirty. I'm gonna dry it off and see how it looks dry. It looks pretty decent. Now, we're going to use this other dirty penny for another one. You are going to need the salt for this one. You want to fill up your little cup up to the top. Perfect! And then you pour it into the cup. Okay, got it open. And now, the vinegar. And then you mix it. Now I mix it really well, that way the salt is disintegrated. The salt reacts with the vinegar to make hydrochloric acid, and that cleans the penny. And you might not get all the salt when you're done mixing it, but it will do. Now I'm gonna use my other tool to put it in, and then you wait like 10 or 15 minutes. We are back and we're going to check on the acid penny. I'm trying to scoop it out with a spoon. Put it on there. And now I will dry it if I even can, because I dried the other one. This one is the soap and water, and this one is the salt and vinegar acid. I would say the acid is way cleaner, because this one's like really light brown, and this one's just brown. This one's really light brown, and something that is really light is probably really clean. And this is one of my cleanest pennies now. And if you guys don't remember that, you might want to parent around, because vinegar does sting, and don't eat too much salt because it's not good for your heart. But You also don't want to get the vinegar and the salt mixed together on you, because if you touch it, it will burn your skin. Finger burnt a little bit a while ago because I got a little bit of vinegar on my finger, but then it got away. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you see you guys next time.
I cannot get the penny out.
Okay.